Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Akko CS Matcha Green switches that I recently bought to go with my whole matcha boba themed keyboard. Now I have the matcha keycap set with the matcha boba mousepad, so it only made sense to buy the matcha green switches to fit everything together. So the unboxing experience is very nice as well. They come in this green box, and when you take off that cover, it shows the black box with the purple Akko branding on it. Once you open up that box, you'll see the switches being covered with a dust cover, which is also very nice to see. Once you open up that dust cover, you can just pop those switches right into the keyboard, and that's basically it. Now, these are linear switches and comes in packs of 45, and they are priced at around $9.99 per pack. So they are priced very reasonably, and that is why they're being deemed the new budget kings. Now this is very subjective to everyone's personal preference, but I'm just going to go over what I think about these switches. They also offer two other switch variants, and that is the Akko Ocean Blue and the Akko Rose Red. Now the Ocean Blues are tactiles, but the Rose Reds are lighter linears than the Akko Matcha Greens. Now the Akko Matcha Greens are 50 grams, and they are basically the best middle ground if you're looking to buy a switch that's not too heavy but not too light at the same time. So it's just great for everyone in my opinion. Now the one thing I did notice that some other people mentioned when I showed them how they sounded is that they do have a slight scratchiness to them, but obviously you can get rid of that if you do choose to lube them. There's little to no stem wobble for these things, so the housing is very tight, which means you won't need to apply any switch films, and they sound very nice. I'll be leaving a sound test here really quickly for you guys so you guys can see how they sound. Okay, yeah, let me know what you guys think about how these switches sound in the comments down below. And overall, if you are looking to get some new linear switches, these are a great contender, especially because of the price point that they are put at. I definitely recommend them, and I'll be leaving them in the description below if you choose to buy them. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.